All right, guys. So today I want to walk you through how to set up a conference call on your iPhone. It's a really easy process, guys. And once this video helps you, if you could just consider liking and subscribing. Really easy way to support the work we're doing here, and I would just really appreciate it. So with that, let's jump in. Now, from your iPhone, what we would need to do is start a phone call, right? We need to at least have one phone call going here. So I'm going to select one phone. And notice here that the add button is disabled until this person, the other phone, answers it. And just like that, the add button is now active. If we want to add a phone call, we would hit the add button here. And then in the add button, we would find where or how we were going to add a call. So we could add it through contacts. We could type in a phone number. We can go back to our recents here, or if we have favorites, we can look at our favorites to see what we wanted to do. And then with this, we would just select which one to add. So I'll just call Mom. And if she answers, we would just hit the merge calls here, which would then merge those two phone calls together. Okay, so this is a good case. If she doesn't answer, we would just hit end, and it would bring us back to our original phone call. So let me try to add somebody else. Go to recents, go to favorites, type in Michael. So that other person is currently on hold right now. And if this person answers, there we go, you can see we could hit merge calls, and you can see that these calls have been merged, and the other phone does not see both names. So you can have up to 5 of these connected. And yeah, that's it. I hope it helps. If it does, like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye.